Welcome to etvFutures.com. It's Wednesday, December 26th. I'm Remy Hookie for your Commodities Recap. NYMEX crude oil futures gain in today's session, ending just a touch below $96 a barrel. Prices have added almost $5 a barrel since last Friday's session. Today, futures prices rallied to hit a session high of $96.54 in electronic trading. Tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the EIA and API will release U.S. petroleum inventory data. Last week, the EIA reported that U.S. crude inventories fell by 7.6 million barrels for the week ended December 14th. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions have added to gains for crude oil. There are concerns that Turkish airstrikes in Iraq may threaten Middle Eastern oil supplies. At the end of today's NYMEX session, February crude closed up by $1.84 at $95.97 a barrel. And taking a brief look at precious metals, gold futures strengthened as the U.S. dollar fell against the euro. COMEX gold gained $13 to settle at $829.50 an ounce. This afternoon, we're joined by Paul Brittain, analyst at Alaron Futures and Options. He'll give us his outlook for energy and metals futures in this holiday-shortened week.
Good afternoon. This is Paul Brittain from Alaron Trading in Las Vegas, Nevada. All right. Now, many traders, first of all, before we go any further, many traders usually take off the week between Christmas and New Year's, causing the trading on the trading floors to be thinner than usual, which usually amplifies the volatility, thus the moves that you see in the market. And a lot of traders that are at work usually don't do too much during this week. We just kind of sit back and watch. So anyway, in thin and lackluster post-holiday trading today, energy prices are sharply higher across the board on anticipation that Thursday's inventory report will show some drawdowns. There's also concern of ongoing military conflicts between Turkey and Iraq, and they're being given a lot of weight according to our research. But mostly we see this as an opposite action and reaction to the dollar falling in today's trading, which again is dull and lackluster post-holiday trading, which is spread into the metal markets. You've got silver and gold as well as copper higher across the board. The gold market opened $10 higher today at $827.40. Silver's at $14.79, $14.80, let's call it, up 13 cents. And copper's trading well above $3 again at $3.16.5. All right, that's pretty much all we've got for you today. Thank you very much.
That was Paul Brittain, analyst at Alaron Futures and Options, with his commodities commentary. I'm Remy Hookie. Join us later for PM Exchange right here on etvFutures.com.